Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 14th, 2026, and we're going to be planting corn salad here. And this is the green full heart, and I have my Jiffy Natural and Organic seed starting mix already mixed up here and in my 4 packs. Now, this requires a lower temperature for germination, about 50 to 60 degrees for it to germinate. So I'm going to be putting this up on the shelves in the greenhouse here. I'm not actually going to be putting this on my heated floor because they say if you get your temperature over 70 degrees, the seeds will go dormant. Now what I did with my seeds is I took the seed pack, I put it in a Ziploc bag, and I put it in the refrigerator, and I chilled it for at least 2 weeks before I'm planting them. So I'm going to move some of these more to the center here. And this is more of a cold season thing. But what happened is we finally did get all of the greenhouses up and running. And it took a little bit to get them running. And I had initially planned on sowing this sooner. But what actually happened was I ran out of room in the old greenhouse. The other greenhouses, the heating systems were down in them, so they had to be fixed. And they are fixed now, and all 3 greenhouses are up and running. And I got delayed in planting this. So I chilled my seeds for 2 weeks in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator before I'm planting them. And I'm going to just we're going to put about a 1/4 inch covering over our seeds here. Not too much. And this is my seed starting mix, by the way, if you're wondering there. I saved some out. And I'm firming the soil over top. A bit more there. Okay. So I'm going to get this watered now. And I'm using the mist here on my watering wand to just get this nice and watered here. So these 4 here are going to be coming out of this tray. And you can see I sat these up here in this tray here. There's some other stuff growing in here, but it's not going to matter. So that these do not get too hot. Being that they need a lower temperature to germinate, I don't want to put them on the heated floor. So as soon as these start coming up, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show them to you. Okay, so today is April the 22nd. And you can see here the corn salad seeds have started germinating. I got 1 up so far. I should have put more seeds per cell than what I did. So I have started sowing some of my stuff a little heavier than what I used to, in case a seed got put down too deep or something walked off with it, because we do have some ants in here. So just wanted to show you this here, that this did start germinating, and I will be coming back with more video updates as this continues to grow and when we harvest it and different things. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that ties I put new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.